Hello everyone, I am Nadis Mayan. Today I am going to talk about the copper slag as a substitute for river sand. So, firstly, I would like to talk about the introduction part of this. So, what is this river sand? Okay, uh, I will explain about this. River sand is using the marketing cement and some blocks. Construction industries is one of the most important and valuable industries in the world. These days, river sand is the most required material for the construction industry is using throughout the world. Those constructions should have a long life, but river sand is making some problems to the environment because because of the people are trying to get substitute for river sand. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. Before I enter this topic, you all can see this chart. Well, I will explain what are the raw materials used for the product. Firstly, the raw materials is mineral iron. The mineral iron's percentage is 2.08. It is non-renewable. And oxide of iron. Oxide of iron percentage is 4.70 percentage and it is non-renewable. Oxide of aluminum. Oxide of alumina percentage is 19.4 and it is non-renewable. Silica. Silica is 2.66 percentage and it is non-renewable. Lead. Lead percentage is 18 percentage and it is renewable. Uh, Sand. Sand percentage is 53.16 and it is renewable.
I'm going to talk about what are the properties of river sand. First, it is property of specific gravity, which is we can find in river sand, which is 2.65. The next property is density. The bulk density is 1.71. Another property is absorption of the water. In simply, it is not greater than 3%. The fourth property I would like to discuss about the finance modulus. It is an index number which depends on the actual size of a particle in sand, which is 5.24. In river sand, the strength is another property. It has greater density of compressive strength than quarry does concrete for all carrying edges. As last property, I would like to discuss about the angularity. It is a name used to describe the shape of the corners of particles of symptoms. Next, I am going to talk about how the product manufacturer made. First, the front loader, then the raw material through the material extraction. The sand is mined. After that, the sand is stored in the mining set. Next, it is sent to where it's needed. Then they use the product. Since the petrol and diesel is being blasted during this, CO2 and NO is released to the environment. Finally, it becomes a waste material.
I am Yapa. What are the uses for application? Sand is used as fine aggregated in mortar and concrete. Natural river sand is most preferred choice as a fine aggregate material. Also, river sand used for brick making, glass making, plastering, and etc. River sand is far superior for construction purpose than any other sand used in construction. River sand using for different decoration such as fish tank decoration, home garden decoration, and etc. Concrete is essential for building a strong design in future for that river sand is well graded. What is the problem with the product? Stage of the potty life cycle. Extraction of river sand. Problem. Water pollution. We have to use high level energy for it. Side effect of the machine is noises. Cost of machine and repairing. Lowering of riverbed. Sliding or subsidence of land due to river erosion. Transportation. Cost for transportation raw material can be face accident. Dust can be added to the environment. Demolition of construction. Air pollution.
I am Madhusi Vijayratnam. Firstly, I would like to talk about the alternatives available. So, we can get the alternative to river sand. The previously are addressed by the solutions are water pollution and lowering riverbed and sliding or subsidence of land due to the river erosion. Cost for transportation, cost for machines and repairing. And the alternatives that we get is MSAT. So other information in the gate has also been explained in the same way. Okay, now let's move on the next slide. The pictures of alternatives which we use shown here. They are MSAT, copper slag, bottom ash, cheese and quarry dust. Okay, that leads me to the next slide. It is proposed alternatives. Firstly, select alternatives. So, river sand 50% and copper slag 50% can replace the river sand as a solution. Secondly, why copper slag and river sand mixer can replace river sand. Copper slag is having river sand properties. They are water absorption, specific gravity. Thirdly, let us consider about the target problems to be solved. They are minimize the water pollution and minimize the economic problems. Carbon emission, global warming. Nextly, I would like to talk about benefits achieved. They are we can minimize water pollution adding the copper slag. We didn't use water more and more to extraction. Using copper slag adds to compressive strength of 30 to 40 within the limits of convention concrete.
And some of the above. Now moving to discussion part. There was more than 70% improvement in the comparative strength of mortars with 50% copper slag substitution in comparison with the control mixer. Who installed it? Installed by Air Jabri in 2009. In that case, we can prove our product proposed is the best and best. You can see this graph and table. It also shown 50% of copper slag and river sand mixer is the best among another percentages of copper slag and river sand mixers. This table and graph is also results of some materials. Now moving to next slide. Comparing the properties between river sand and copper slag. Few similar properties are there. The specific gravity of river sand is 2.65 and copper slag has 4.12 specific gravity. Bulk density and finance models are also similar properties. River sand water absorption is 3% and copper slag shown 5% water absorption. Next, after mixing copper slag and river sand, the strength and concrete durability is going up. Now I'm moving next slide. Copper slag oxide of iron percentage is high, I think more than 50%. In that case, other oxides percentages are going down. This is the reason for the by using copper slag, cement and blocks strengths are going up. Okay, if we use copper slag as an alternative for river sand, we can minimize some problems. Water pollution, global warming, carbon emission are imported among it to the world, and we can minimize some economic problems also within using this product. In that cases, copper slag and reverse hand mixer is the best alternative among another alternatives. Now I'm moving to conclusion part. Reverse hand and copper slag mixer is proposed substitute uh, for the reverse hand. This mixer has a lot of developing performance and water pollution, carbon emission, global warming like some problems we can minimize within using this product. Best alternative for reverse hand is reverse hand 50% and copper slag 50% mixer. Okay, we have some references are there, and thank you for all